Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening to all.
evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Today, 13 members present. Last class GP completed, GP?
Sir, no, sir, it's not. Sir, we are doing problems.
Problems, huh? Okay, okay. Okay, next. Selection of terms completed, no? Selection of terms.
Yes, sir.
The sum of first
Completed.
3 terms of a GP, the sum of first 3 terms of a GP is 39 upon 10, and their product is 1. Find the common ratio and the terms. Find the common ratio and the terms. The sum of first 3 terms.
Sir, have we learned sum of GP?
Sum of
GP, like how to find
sum of n terms of GP, not completed.
Okay.
Selection of terms.
Sir, you haven't taught sum of n terms, right?
Sum of n terms of GP is not completed. Nth term is completed.
Yeah.
This is terms, selection of terms. The sum of first 3 terms of a GP is 39 upon 10. 39 upon 10, and their product is 1. Find the common ratio and the terms. Find the common ratio and the terms. Important.
So,
Mona Lisa.
so what is the common difference? I mean, common ratio?
Common ratio R. R is equal to 5 by 2 and 2 by 5.
Okay, sir.
First term is A is equal to 1 and R is equal to 5 by 2 and 2 by 5.
Sir, we are going to take terms as A by R, A and AR.
Yes,
Using
correct.
that we
Yes,
get
sure.
A is equal to 1. After that we are going to do.
Yes.
Sir,
Nagabhushan.
Sir, the terms are 2 by 5, 1, 5 by 2, or 5 by 2, 1, 2 by 5.
Yes, correct, Nagabhushan. Correct.
Sir?
Nagabhushan.
Sir, for such question, there will be 2 common ratios, no, sir? Sir, the product will be reciprocal of each other.
product will be, yes. Product is A by R, AR is equal to 1 is given. And the sum is A by R plus AR is equal to 39 upon 10.
Sir, R is equal to root minus 1.
Root minus 1?
Yes, sir.
R is equal to root minus 1.
That's what I'm getting.
Huh?
A is 1.
A is 1. 1 upon R plus 1 plus R is equal to 39 upon 10.
Sorry, sir. I took one.
Arre, what Santosh? Now take LCM.
Sir, is it 5 by 2, 1 and 2 by 5?
Yes, correct. Bhargav.
So second, two common ratios, right?
Common ratio 5 by 2 and 2 by 5.
Yes, sir. So that will be two GPs.
2?
GPs.
Sir, after getting R as 5 by 2 and 2 by 5, we just like write the terms for both the ratios.
2 by 5, 1 5 by 2, 5 by 2, 1 2 by 5.
Okay.
A by R, AR. All of you done?
Sir, can you solve? I want to check once. I'm going wrong somewhere.
Which one?
Sir, both the parts. If I get one first part only, no, sir, I'll get second.
This one is A is equal to 1, right?
Yes, sir. Till here I got.
After that, A value substituting 1 upon R plus 1 plus R is equal to 39 upon 10. Now R square is equal to R square minus 29 upon 10 into R plus 1 is equal to 0. Then factors find. Keshav. Factors 100
minus 25 minus 4.
25 4 jar. 25 4 jar. 25 4 jar. Okay, Keshav. Then 2R.
Yes, sir.
2R minus 5 and 5R minus 2, right? 5R.
Oh, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes. I got it.
2R minus 5 and
Yes,
5R
yes.
minus 2. Now r
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to 5 by 2 and 2 by 5. Understood, Keshav?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next problem. Find four numbers in GP. Find four numbers in GP whose sum is 85, whose sum is 85 and product is and product is 4096. 4096. All of you done first problem? Anavadya? Anirudh?
Yes, sir.
Anavadya done first problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Aryan? Priyanka?
I have done so.
Okay. Risha?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, okay. Santosh?
Over, sir.
Okay. Next problem. Find four numbers in GP whose sum is 85 and product is 4096. Four numbers. A by R cube, A by R, AR, AR cube. Four numbers. A by R cube, A by R, AR, AR cube. Four numbers.
The terms in the third question is, the first question is 2 by 5 and
5 by 2.
sir.
2 by 5 and 5 by 2. 2 by 5,
sir, that's one.
1, 5 by 2 and 5 by 2, 1, 2 by 5
One.
are the
Yes,
first
sir.
three terms of GP.
Sir, is A 8?
Which one?
Is A value 8?
Ah, yes, first term. A is equal to 8. Correct. Correct, Pratik.
So,
Ah, Mona Lisa.
the other terms A by R cube. I mean, I'm not getting A right, sir.
Not getting?
My A is coming wrong, sir.
A upon R cube into A upon R into AR
Okay,
into
got it, sir.
A.
Got
Huh?
it, sir. Got it, sir.
See, 4096, 8 power 4, I think. 8 power, Pratik,
Got it,
8 power 4, right?
A power 4.
8 power 4. Yeah, 40,
Yes, sir.
8
Yes,
power
sir.
4, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
correct.
8 power 4 is
Okay,
equal to
okay.
A power 4.
Okay, correct, correct. A power 4 is equal to 8 power 4. A is equal to 8. Then sum, find sum. Mona Lisa.
So what are the terms?
Terms, you tell.
So 1, 4, 16, 64.
Huh?
1, 4, 16, 64, sir.
1, 4, 16, 64. Yes, correct, Mona Lisa. 1, 4,
And
16, 64.
sir, and to find R, can we use trial and error?
Trial and error method.
Yes, sir. Can we find that? Or is there any standard method?
Any
Yes,
method
sir.
using.
Like, sir, like if we substitute a value in the sum, like a by r cube plus a by r, if we substitute it there, it's like really long.
Lengthy method.
Yeah, is there like any shorter way?
No, take a to the denominator and then r cube will be in the form of 2 cube.
A by r cube plus a by r plus ar plus ar cube is equal to 85. Now a common. 1 upon r cube plus 1 upon r plus r cube into 85. Now 8. 8 into 1 upon r cube plus 1 upon r plus r cube is equal to 85. After that, 1 upon r cube plus r cube. Correct, no? 8 into 1 upon r cube plus r cube. Correct?
Sir, how?
Plus 8 into 1 upon r plus r is equal to 85. Nagabhushan, tell.
Sir, now you are expanding.
Yes. 8 multiply. Now separating cube. 1 upon r cube plus r cube plus 8 into 1 upon r into r plus r is equal to 85. After that, a cube plus b cube, 8 into 1 upon r plus r whole cube minus 3 into 1 upon r plus r, right?
Sir, now we are going to write 1 upon r plus r as x.
Correct? Nagabhushan?
Yes, sir.
After that, r plus 1 upon r is equal to x take. 1 upon r plus r is equal to x. Put. Now 8x x cube, 8x cube minus 8 3s are 8 into x cube minus 3 into x plus 8 into x, correct, is equal to 85. Now 8x cube minus plus 5x. Okay, this one is 8 3s are 24. 24x plus 8x. 24x plus 8x, 16x, right? Minus 16x. Minus 16x. Minus 16x. Minus 16x. Minus 85, right? Minus 85 is equal to 0. Correct, Nagbhushan? 8x cube minus 16x minus 85 is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Now factors find. Mona Lisa.
So how do we get the factors of this?
8x cube minus 16x minus 85. 2x common. 2x. 2x minus 5, right?
Sir, because
Keshav?
sir, 1 minute, sir. Sir, can you wait for a minute?
Hmm.
Sir, how did you factorize it?
Checking, I'm checking. 2x 4 2s are 8. 8x cube. 8x cube. 2s are 20. 20. 17 5s are
85.
85. Correct, no? 2x minus 5. 2x 4 8x cube. 8x cube plus 20x. 20x plus 32. 20x plus 34x minus 50x. 10 5s are 50x plus 85. Now here 2054x. Not coming now. The 8x cube plus 20x plus 20x square, sorry, 20x square plus 34x minus 34x plus minus 20x square minus 20x 50x, sorry, 50x minus 85 is equal to 0. 8x cube get cancelled. 34x 16 minus 16x minus 85. Yes, correct. See, 2x minus 5 into 4x square plus 10x plus 17 is equal to 0. factors.
How did you get it?
2x,
Sir, how did you get that expression?
8x cube minus 16x minus 85 is equal to 0. Now, see these 2x common. Eight, 16. Division. 16, 5 by 2. 5, 5, 6, 30, 5, 1, 5, 80, 80 by 2, 40, 40, 125 minus 125. See, 5 by 2 in this equation satisfy 5 by 2. 8x cube minus 16x minus 85 is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 5 by 2.
Sir, how can we randomly put, sir?
Excuse me, sir.
Tell.
Sir, the boards really blur for me.
Yes, sir, even for me.
Now okay?
No, sir, it's really blur for me. I can't see the board.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait. 1 minute, wait. Hello?
Yes, sir?
Now it is okay?
No, sir, it's really blur.
Blur. Okay, blur, sir. Hmm. Hmm. Hello?
Still blur.
Blur. Hmm. Now, hello.
Sir, I can't see.
Completely blur now.
Sir, it's still blur.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Nagabhushan.
It's still blur, sir.
Blur.
So it was a bit better before.
It's very blur, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just keep on telling. If it is clear, just I'll stop it. I'll making adjustment. Now,
Sir, it's too dark, sir.
too dark. Now it's okay.
Sir, it's too dark.
So can you make it brighter, sir?
Bright. Now,
No, sir.
now,
Sir, brightness is okay, just this board is blur.
board is blur. Now, keep on telling. Just now it's okay.
Sir, the brightness is okay, but the board is blur.
Board is blur. If it is okay, just tell me, okay? Okay.
Sir, the board is blur, not the...
Sir, the brightness is fine, sir. The board is blur.
Board is blur. What to do?
The brightness is all right.
Okay. What to do this? Can't adjust. Now?
No, sir.
No. Now?
It's too light.
Too light. Now?
No, sir.
Sir, it's not the brightness, it's about the pixels, sir.
Picture.
Pixels, resolution.
I'm not getting it. I'll call sir. System and all. It's why video is stuck now? Hello?
Sir, the
Hello?
video is stuck.
So the video is frozen, sir.
Video stuck.
Yes, sir.
Now?
Yes, sir, now it's fine.
Now
it's
what
fine,
is
sir.
fine? What is fine?
Yes, sir, now it's fine.
Okay, thank you.
Hello?
Sir, instead of using this formula, like 1 by r cube plus r cube, I use the other formula, like a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Sir, that formula I used, and I'm getting much simpler expression, sir. Sir, also we know that 1 by r plus r is always greater than 2 or equal to 2.
Okay.
Sir, so we'll substitute 2. So then you'll get the answer.
Substituting 2, this equation?
Yes, sir. No, sir, there, sir. Sir, this formula we don't need to use, sir. We can use the other formula.
Which formula?
Sir, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b.
A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b. A minus b. Yeah, okay. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square.
Yes, sir. This one.
Okay.
Yes, sir. When we use this, sir, we'll get much simpler expression.
Correct. And here only apply, no? Nagbhushan? Here apply.
Yes, sir. There only, sir. Yes, sir.
8 into 1 upon r cube plus r cube into 1 upon r cube whole square minus 1 upon r cube into r cube plus r cube whole square, right? Plus 8 into 1 upon r plus r is equal to 85. Now this one get cancelled. 8 into 1 upon r cube plus r cube into 1 upon r power 6 minus.
Sir, how r power 6, sir? Sir, we'll get just sir, we'll get 1 by r square.
1 by
r square, sir.
r square.
1 by r cube is nothing but 1 by r whole cube, because 1 is equal to 1 cube. Using that
1 upon r cube.
Sir, no, sir. Sir, 1 by r cube plus r cube
going wrong, sir.
is equal
1
to
upon
1
r
by
cube plus r cube.
Yes, sir. Correct. This is equal to, sir.
Okay, equal to.
Yes, sir. 1 by r plus r.
No.
1 minute.
Sir?
1 minute. Sir, 1 by r cube plus r cube, no, sir.
1 by r cube plus r
1
cube.
by r cube. Sir, no, sir. Go one step above, sir. One step above.
This one?
Yes, sir. Here. 1 cube. 1 is nothing but 1 cube, no, sir.
1 cube.
1 cube by r cube.
Okay. Correct.
After that, nothing is there, sir.
Okay.
Law of exponent.
Correct. Okay, 1 upon whole cube. Correct? Whole cube, right?
Yes, sir. This only
Yes.
I wanted to tell.
Correct, no?
Yes, sir. Plus r cube.
Plus r cube. Okay.
Yes, sir. Plus 8. Sir, 8.
Into.
Sir, no, sir.
Okay. Plus 8. Plus 8 into 1 upon r
1 by
plus
r.
r is
Yes.
equal to 85.
Yes, sir. Now we can apply that identity.
This one, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Correct, no? A cube plus b cube.
Yes, sir.
A plus b into 8 into a plus b. 1 upon r plus r cube r into a 1 upon r whole square minus 1
Minus
upon
1, sir.
1 upon r
Sir, it will
into
cancel out.
r plus
R
into
square.
plus r square.
Yes, sir.
Plus 8 into 1 upon r plus r is equal to 85, right?
Yes, sir. Now we can take 8 into 1 by r.
Now
plus
r get cancelled.
Yes, sir. Now we can take 8 into 1 by r plus r common.
Into 1 by r whole square plus r square.
Plus r
Correct?
square. Yes, sir.
Plus
Yes, sir. Is
8
equal
into
to,
1 upon r plus r is equal to 85.
sir, there minus
Now
1
both
is also
sides,
there.
both sides 8
Sir.
into 1 up.
Sir, there minus 1 is there, sir.
Okay. Minus 1. Minus 1 plus r square into minus 1 plus r square plus 8 into 1 upon r plus r is equal to 85. Now 8 into 1 upon r plus r get common, right?
Yes, sir.
1 upon r whole square minus 1 plus r square
Plus
plus
1.
1 plus 1 is equal to 85, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that, 8 into 1 upon r plus r into 1 upon r square. R square
Plus r square.
minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled.
Yes, sir. So plus r
Plus
square.
r square is equal to 85.
Is equal
Now
to
take LCM.
Sir, no, sir, no, sir, no, sir, no, sir. Sir, we know that 1
Oh,
by
sir.
r plus r is always greater than 2.
1 by r square plus r square. Yes, correct.
Yes, sir, it's greater than 2, no, sir. Sir, so we'll slowly take numbers greater than 2.
Since 1 upon r square plus r
Sir, not
square.
r square, sir. Sir, inequality is, sir.
Our denominator is greater than 2.
No, sir. Sir, 1 by r plus r.
1 by r plus r into 1 upon r square.
Sir, no.
This one is always greater than greater than.
Sir, 2. Greater than 2 or less than minus 2.
Greater than 2 or less than minus 2. How?
Yes, sir. Sir, you take any value of r, you will find this, sir. Sir, so from here we can take slowly numbers greater than 2. First we'll put 2, it won't come. Then we'll put 2.5. Then it will come, sir. 2.5 will come.
2.5.
Yes,
2.5 means 5 by 2.
Yes, sir.
2.5 means 5 by 2.
Sir, then the other one will be 17 by 4.
17 by 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then
So
r is
1 by
equal to,
r.
Mona Lisa, r is equal to?
So r is 2, sir.
R is 2. R is 2 and 1 by 2, right?
Oh, I got only 2, sir.
Only 2, na?
Yes, sir, I got only 2.
$17 by 4, Nagabhushan?
Sir?
17 by 4.
Yes, sir. It will be 17 by 4. Because, yes, sir, we can do that, sir.
Sir?
Tell Mona Lisa.
So will you be substituting the values now, or are you going to solve it?
Yes, we will be substituting values greater than 2.
Greater than
So
2.
if we are substituting the values, so we could do trial and error method before itself, right? Like doing all this and again substituting values would be the same, right?
But we, yes, we can do that.
So, and that is way shorter. This took us more than 20 minutes. So can we just do that? Or should we do all this?
This is shortcut method. Shortcut method is there, but here 8x cube minus 16x minus 85. Square is not there, no? Square is there, synthetic division apply.
No, sir, it's not there.
Square is not there. Square is there, synthetic division apply.
Yes, sir. We
Put
can
x is equal to 1 or minus 1, 2 or minus 2. These four numbers satisfy in this equation. X square is there.
So?
But x square is not there. Tell Mona Lisa.
So I can't see the top part of your board. I can see only till only from where the question is written.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next class I will tell shortcut method. Any shortcut method is there. Then next concept I will tell. I will explain next concept. This type of models important. And 4 terms, 5 terms. Sum of first n terms of GP. Sum of first n terms of GP.
Sir, is this a question?
Concept.
Okay.
That problem, that type of models, shortcut method, next class I will explain. That is lengthy method. Sum of n terms of GP. If A and R, if A and R be the first term and common ratio, first term and common ratio of a GP respectively, common ratio of a GP respectively, then prove that the sum of first n terms of first n terms, sum of first n terms of the GP is given by Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 upon R minus 1, A into R power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. R minus 1 is R is greater than 1. Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n upon 1 minus R, where R is less than 1.
Sir? Sir, if you substitute anyway in any of these formulas R, where R is real number, then doesn't matter, no sir?
Doesn't matter.
Yes, sir, because negative and negative get cancelled.
Now proof. Proof you want? You want proof? Question?
Lengthy.
Huh?
Is it going to be lengthy?
Proof,
Yes, sir.
Length not 4 5 steps.
Then you can do, sir.
Okay, okay. Let Tn be the nth term. Let Tn be the nth term. Let Tn be the nth term of the GP. Nth term of the GP. Nth term of the GP. Sn be the sum of n terms of the GP. Sn be the sum of n terms of GP. Sum of n terms of GP. Tn is equal to AR power n minus 1. Tn is equal to AR power n minus 1. And also Sn is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus so on. T1 plus T2 plus T3 so on plus Tn minus 1 plus Tn. Tn minus 1 plus Tn. That implies, yes, up to here, note down. T1 right first. T1A first term. A plus AR plus AR square plus so on plus AR power n minus 2 plus AR power n minus 1. Sn is equal to A plus AR plus AR square plus so on plus AR power n minus 2 plus AR power n minus 1. AR power n minus 1. Now multiplying both the sides, common ratio R. Multiplying both sides, common ratio R. Common ratio R. RSN is equal to RSN is equal to AR plus AR square plus AR cube plus so on plus AR power n minus 1 plus AR power n. Now both subtracting. Sn minus R into Sn is equal to, tell.
Sir, it will be A
plus 0 plus A plus 0 plus
0 plus R
so on
A
plus
to the power
0
Rn
plus
minus R to the power of n.
minus AR power
minus
n.
A
Minus
to the power n.
AR power n. Now after that, Sn common, 1 minus R is equal to 1 minus R, A minus AR power n. Now here A common, Sn into 1 minus R, A common, 1 minus R power n, right? Now same denominator, 1 minus R, Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n upon 1 minus R. Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n upon 1 minus R. All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
So if you subtract second equation and first equation, you will get reverse. Reverse
First
of this.
equation,
This for
these two.
in case second and yes sir. Second, if we
Second,
subtract first one from second, sir, we'll get the reverse equation of that. That is a into r power n. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes.
A into r power n
Yes,
minus
I
1
wanted.
upon r minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2. All of you done?
Yes, sir.
Next, problems. How many terms of the GP? How many terms of the GP 3 comma 3 by 2 comma 3 by 4 so on are needed to give the sum, are needed to give the sum, give the sum 3069 upon 512.
Sir, 3069 by 512. Okay, sir.
3069 upon 512. First term is 3. Common ratio?
Sir, just a minute, sir.
1 by 2.
So
1
what
by
is
2?
n? Sir,
Mona Lisa.
what is the answer?
Answer.
Yes, sir.
Answer. N is equal to 10.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sn is equal to 3069 upon 512. 3 into 1 minus 1 upon 2 whole to the power of n upon 1 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3069,500. Now solve. One minus 1 upon 2 whole to the power of n is equal to 3069 upon 512 into 6.
Sir, now we can divide them, right?
Now send that side.
Yes, sir. So we can compare 2 to the power of n
1
with
upon 2
1000.
whole to the power of n is equal to 1 minus 3069 upon 512 into 6. 512 into 6.
So you can rather cancel 3.
Sir, we can write it as
3076, right?
1000. Sir.
So it'll be
Sir,
easier
instead
to
of
cancel
this,
3, sir.
Cancel
yes,
3.
sir, we can cancel 3 and
Yes,
we
sir.
can write 1023 by 1024.
Okay.
Then we can write 2 to the power
1
of n is
upon
1024.
1024, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. It will be
1 upon
1 upon 1024.
1 upon 2 whole to the power of n is equal to 1 upon 10,020 1024 1024. Thousand 2 power 10, right? 2 power 10. Whole power n is equal to 1 upon 2 whole to the power of 10. Now n is equal to 10. All of you done?
Sir, what is 512 into 6, sir? 512 into 6.
512 into 6 is equal to 3076.
Yes, sir. These are 76.
3076, right?
3072.
Correct. 72.
3072, sir.
3072.
That's what I got
Correct.
about you. After that,
3072 minus 3069. 3072 minus 3069 upon 3072. Now 3 upon 3072. 3 1 jar 3 10 24 jar. The next step, this one.
Yes, sir. N is equal to 10.
3 upon 3072. After that, 1 upon 2 whole to the power of n is equal to 1 upon 1024. All of you done? Next problem important. The sum of first 3 terms of a GP, the sum of first 3 terms of a GP, 3 terms of a GP is 16. Is 16, and the sum of the next 3 terms, and the sum of the next 3 terms, sum of the next 3 terms is 128. Is 128. Determine first term. Determine first term. Determine first term. Common ratio. Common ratio and the sum to n terms of the GP, and the sum to n terms of the GP, The sum of first 3 terms of a GP is 16 and the sum of the next 3 terms is 128. Determine first term and common ratio and the sum to n terms of the GP. Important. Hmm.
So I'm not getting the equation of degree 2.
Equation of?
I'm not getting a quadratic equation, sir.
Quadratic equation?
No, like for solving, I'm getting it.
Hmm.
Sir, R is equal to 2.
Ah, yes, correct. Correct, Nagbhushan. R is equal to 2.
Sir, first term is 16 by 7.
First term is?
16 by 7.
Ah, okay.
R is equal to 2.
Hmm. Correct.
Then Sn is equal
Ah, Sn is equal to?
16 by 7.
Ah, 16 by 7.
16 by 7, 2 to the power of n minus 1.
Yes, correct.
So could you do the sum?
Ah, okay. See, let A be the first term. And R be the common ratio. Now S3 is equal to? S3 is equal to, Risha?
A into R cube minus 1 by R minus
16, correct? First
Yes.
three. S3 is equal to 16. Now, what is the formula? A into 1 minus R power?
Sir, it's the other way around, right?
Huh?
R power n minus 1 by
R cube upon 1 minus R is equal to 16,
Sir,
right?
actually, you are writing this wrong, sir. You have to write R cube minus 1.
Huh?
Because
Anyway,
sum
it is
is
correct
greater
only.
than 1.
Anyway, it is correct only.
Huh?
For convenience, write it like that now.
This is wrong?
Sir,
Sir,
I
that's
can write
correct
it in
only,
either
sir.
way.
Correct
sir.
only?
Yes, sir, that's
Yes,
correct
sir.
only.
Ah, correct. S3 is equal to 16. A into 1 minus R cube upon 1 minus R is equal to 16.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Sir,
So
correct only, sir.
how
Then
do
Proceed,
you
sir.
know that
this is
R
equation
is
1.
lesser than 1?
Huh?
So how do you know that R is lesser than 1?
Yes, that is why we are assuming this itself.
R
Some,
can be even greater than 1, right? Like,
So would that make a difference, sir?
Sir, you can continue.
S3 is equal to 16. A into 1 minus R cube upon 1 minus R is equal to 16. Wrong? Correct,
no,
no?
sir,
Sir.
I'm asking why can't it be R power R cube minus 1?
R cube minus 1.
Yeah, like, why can't it be A into R cube minus 1 by R minus 1?
See, R minus 1, R plus 1 not mandatory. See, any problem take, any problem, we have to substituting any formula. A into 1 minus R cube upon 1 minus R, or A into R power n minus 1 upon R minus 1, where R is greater than 1, R is less than 1.
Sir, so if we substitute, like, I mean, if we write it like R cube minus 1 by 1 minus R, it wouldn't make a big difference, right?
Okay. R cube minus 1, R cube minus 1, A cube minus B cube. Correct, no? 1 minus
Yes,
R
sir,
cube.
so it wouldn't make a big difference, right?
Big?
Sir, it won't matter if we take the other method, like R to the R cube minus 1 by 1 minus R, right?
No problem.
Like, it wouldn't
Anyone,
matter, right?
see, anyone take. A into 1 minus R cube upon 1 minus R is equal to 16. Or A into R power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. This is equation 1. Then next, S6, huh? What is given? Next sum of next three terms. Next three terms, 128. Next is total, how many terms? 6 terms, huh?
Sir, so 6 terms minus the 3 terms is equal to 128.
120? 3 terms?
Sir, S6 minus S3 is equal to 128.
S6 minus S3 is equal to 128. Now S3, right?
Sir, S3 is equal to 16.
S3, okay, 16, right? S6 minus 16 is equal to 128.
Yes, sir.
And S6 is equal to 128 plus 16. Okay?
So now S6 will write A
Yes.
into
S6 is equal to 128 plus 16. 144. 144. S6. S6 A into 1 minus R power 6 upon 1 minus R is equal to 144. This is equation 2. Then dividing 2 by 1. Dividing 2 by 1. Dividing 2 by 1. A into 1 minus R power 6 upon 1 minus R upon A into 1 minus R cube upon 1 minus R is equal to 144 upon 16. Then minus
Yes,
1 minus R get cancelled. A get cancelled.
Sir, we can cancel these two also.
1 minus R cube.
So that is in the form of A square minus B square.
Yes. A square minus B square only. R cube whole square.
Yes, sir. So we can write 1 plus R square is equal to 144 by 16.
1 minus R power 6 upon 1 minus R cube is equal to 144 upon 16. Then that implies 1 plus R cube into 1 minus R cube upon 1 minus R cube is equal to 144 upon 16.
So you can write 9.
Now get cancelled. 16 for 9. Correct, no?
Yes,
correct.
sir.
9. 1 plus R cube is equal to 9, right?
Yes,
1 plus R cube is equal to 9. Now R cube is equal to 9 minus 1, 8. R cube is equal to 8. R cube is equal to 2 cube. Correct? R is equal to 2. Understood, Risha? R is equal to 2 and A value? R is equal to 2. A is equal to 16 by 7. R value substituting equation 1. A into
A is equal to 16. Right?
16 by 7, right, Risha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A is equal to 16 by 7. A into 1 minus 2 cube 8. 1 minus 8 upon 1 minus 2. Minus 1 is equal to 16. Then 7A. 7A is equal to 16. And A is equal to 16 by 7. Right? After that, Sn find. Sn is equal to Sn find. See, suppose here R is equal to minus 2. Suppose R is equal to common ratio minus 2. Then Sn is equal to?
Sir, what?
R is equal to minus 2. Suppose
yes, sir.
here Sn is equal
Yes, sir.
to.
Sir, it is. Sir, it's implicit function. Sir.
Huh?
Sir, it's not properly defined.
Not defined, huh?
It's not properly defined, sir.
Okay.
Sir, but it can exist, sir. But for any value of n, it may be positive or it may be negative. Sorry, it may be close to 0 or it may be positive.
All of you done? Himanshu today absent. Himanshu. And tomorrow I will start limits. Mona Lisa.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow join competitive class.
So limits and derivatives.
Limits. Limits, not derivatives.
Okay, sir.
Limits.
So would you be starting from basics?
Basics. Basics.
Because I missed that chapter.
Basics.
Sir, even I also joined, sir.
Okay.
Don't
Keshav.
forget, sir.
And
So
Monday's class. Santosh and Ananya, Priyanka.
Sir, my signal was very
Why you
low,
are not?
Sir, I lost signal in middle, sir.
Okay.
35, I think.
Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
See, Monday's class, why you are not joining competitive class?
So I wasn't well that time.
Santosh?
Sir, I lost network connection, so I couldn't join.
Okay.
Army power also went, sir.
Okay, tomorrow, important chapter, limits, very, very important chapter in JE level, mains level and advanced level. So many concepts is there, total nearly 15 concepts.
So quadratic equations are over, right?
Completed.
Okay, sir.
And
So
remaining, see in target exercise, how many problems completed? In target exercise, PDF. Nagabhushan? Nagabhushan?
Sir, we did till inequalities part only.
Quadratic equation also completed.
No,
Up to,
sir,
I think 50 or 100. I don't know exactly. 100 problems completed.
Sir, no, sir.
Total 200 problems is there. That target exercise.
Yes, sir, I'll complete it, sir.
Completed, all problems completed. Okay.
Sir, I'll complete it, sir.
Completed, eh? Okay.
Sir, I didn't do all of it, sir.
And remaining, Priyanka? Priyanka, Santosh,
Sir, so
To do them, sir.
okay.
I need to do so.
Okay. Completed.
Sir, so tomorrow onwards, limits and derivatives.
Limits, I will start. Limits.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, and derivatives?
Not derivatives, separate chapters. Limits one chapter, derivatives one chapter, competitive level.
Okay, sir.
Board level.
Competitive tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow competitive.
Okay.
You also join, Risha?
No, sir. I'm both students.
Okay.
So there are two different chapters.
Two different chapters. Derivatives, differentiation part, and limits and continuity, both one chapter. Limits and continuity.
Okay, sir.
And differentiability and derivative. Differentiability and derivative one chapter. Limits and continuity one chapter.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Time is over.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, good night.
And next class, I will shortcut method. I will tell that concept before problems. No. That R cube and R power 4. The next class I will explain. Mona Lisa.
Yes, sir. So, did you put the R.D. Sharma questions on the classroom? I couldn't find it.
R.D. Sharma problems.
Yes, sir.
Important problems.
Yes,
Not
sir.
exercise or exercise problems. You want
So,
important
for the
problems or
boat,
exercise problems?
so, mainly the boat level one.
Board level. Exercise level. A textbook is there.
Which textbook, sir?
R.D. Sharma
Yes, sir.
is there.
Yes, sir.
Level 1 problems do. Level 1,
Mm.
not level 2.
All of them, sir.
All. Only
Okay,
level
sir.
1. Level 1 and examples.
Sir, and
First you
for the
have to
test.
practice NCERT textbook and exemplar.
Okay,
NCERT
sir.
textbook and exemplar.
Okay, sir.
Exemplar
Sir,
textbook is
and
there.
yes, sir.
Or in online is also PDF is there in online.
Yes, sir. Sir, and I missed quite a few chapters, so I know
Which
only
chapters? Which chapters?
The ones before linear inequalities. I mean,
Linear inequalities means that is competitive, right?
no, sir.
Oh,
I
so board
joined.
level.
Yes, sir. So.
Okay, linear inequalities and second.
No, sir. I joined at linear inequalities.
Oh, linear inequalities already completed, already over.
Yes, sir.
In
I joined
competitive
at
part
that part.
also is over. Board level
No,
also
sir.
is over.
So I missed the chapters before it, so I know only the part.
How
Which is
many
in syllabus.
chapters? Tell. How many? This one and one more chapter.
So I was present for this chapter, sir.
Okay.
Like just before I joined, limits and derivatives was done.
Okay. Okay.
And yes, sir.
See, any
So,
chapter is missing. After that, I will teach again. Mona Lisa. Hello.
Yes, sir.
See, any chapter is missing, no? That chapter again I will explain.
Okay, sir. No,
Okay,
like for the yes, sir. I just wanted to ask for the test. I know only the NCERT level concepts. Is that enough?
Only NCERT. Only NCERT.
For the test also, sir.
Test only NCERT.
So you had told
NCERT
Sharma
and
level
examples. Exemplar and NCERT. 20%, 15 to 20% R.D. Sharma.
So is it
Last
fine without
questions,
the R.D.
15.
Sharma level questions?
R.D. Sharma. 15 to 20%.
I don't know them, sir. So is it fine writing test without them?
Easy problems I will ask. No, don't worry. Don't worry, Mona Lisa.
Okay, sir.
Easy.
Sir,
Easy
and
problem.
deleted syllabus is also there.
Not difficult problems.
No, the deleted part is also there, sir. Like
Yes.
the polling
Is
presentation and
there.
all that.
Is there.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.